We are here now to take our lunch. This is my rally jacket and they have for the hangar area using this mount. And I'm mounting my limited edition spider helmet here, Alfred Watermax, my GoPro and everything. May fountain sila dito. Hello, good day. Kapan ka? We're here at the lake. Feels like a floating restaurant. Look, they put the fire under the plate. Meron silang soup na sobrang sarap. This one. Century egg. Okay, we're just finished eating. This is the place to eat. Just beside the lake. Look at that. It's so beautiful. Simon, what can you say about the ride? Anong pinaka nagustuhan mo dito?
Siyempre, pagkain.
Tapos,
Yung environment nila, sobrang mapuno. Yung hangin nila malinis.
meron tayong nabudol ngayong araw sa Kuya Manny. Bibili daw ng water filtration ko. Dadalhin natin sa Kalumpit, Bulacan.
Hindi, Philippine Best lang, malapit.
Sa Philippine Best.
Marcos Highway.